Mấy quay na ta Guikhanliu maling mai trong YouTube channel pe kin rai nai la mai thon riwe. A side hide new matakhatna the Guikhanliu Mail Tamanglong trong local newspaper highlights king in sam lakho. Class 12 board exam result dipat kan mai khao. In two may re in gan mi khang swang result kai in bu kan the. Class 12 board exam khao 20 rank la kan mai. Chung pui zai ka mai re medical doctor suniye tu na sa kane. COSM reconduct sumai Class 12 Board Examination 2024 as I kau in dao pekan mai khau. Long mai part 3 khau rui chung pui zai ka mai, son of Ivan ka mai and Julia Gold mai. Re science stream khau 20 rank lagwang kanthe. Kamai Harvard Higher Secondary School, Changangai in Phal khau in Samba mai buwe. The Guikhanliu Mail None correspondent Agui ka mai rui. Than may gan khao kamai medical doctor suna mansai khwai tong semroi sunina bami tuna daw kane chungpui zai ka may rating mi khao khuang padai pangu study suwi tuna sakane kamai zau kau kan mai khao ngam pari mai ragwang ta chun kuwi khani katuang oza kapui kaputani chun ku mai indaw kane chungpui zai re subject charu khao letter marks la kane khani subject padai khao star marks la kane Chung Pizai Nursery Khore Class 10 Ngan Children Training School Longmai Part 3 Khau in Sam Guang Kane. Chung Pizai Pu Khatni Kapuirui Kanarui Kahau Mai Profession Khautai Kham Mai Tuang Tilau Magna Tatkai Ngam Khang Matsuang Lau Pni Tuna Sa Indao Kane. CVSC Class 10 Result Khau JNV Rui India Kapum Tuang Sunat Top Khau Ba Mei. Kumna Class 12 re second khawbame. Central Board of Secondary Education tuang Class 10 result 2024 khaw. Jawahar Novodaya Vidyalaya JNV re. Pass percentage kauliang me khawbame kumna Class 12 result 2024 re. Kanai me position khawbame. Aside kum CVSC Class 10 khaw JNV re 99.09% pass sukane. Kanai me khaw Kendriya Vidyalaya KV Bambame. Tiki government khani government aided to 5 khani 6 position khau Bambame. CVSC Class 12 Result 2024 khau rui. CDSA Central Dividend School Administration rui 99.23 pass percentage lana. First position khau Bami. Kumna JNV rui 98.90 pass percentage lana. Second position khau Bame. Kumna government khadni government aided re fourth khadni fifth possession khawbame. Christian Heritage Institute Tamanglong rai kong students chao ka wong minunta congratulates laukane rai mikhaw first science topper Miss Ratingi Le Panmai, daughter of Mr. Gyangsinang T. Panmai and Mrs. Riangkung Liu T. Panmai, secured 86.8% overall with 2-star marks and 3 letter marks. Arts topper Mr. Gaidim Thai Rong Mai, son of Mr. Athui and Mrs. Guikhanliu Kang Mai, secured 80.6% overall with 4 letter marks. Rong Mai subject topper 97 marks. Third science Miss Sonim Liu Kang Mai, daughter of Mr. K.C. Guising and Mrs. Kang Chiang, secured 84% overall with 1-star marks and 3 letter marks. Second science Miss Ginbo Liu Panmai, daughter of Mr. Sasongam Panmai and Mrs. Ringong Liu, secured 85.4% overall with 2-star marks and 3 letter marks. Fourth science Miss Niampui Liu Panmai, daughter of Mr. Lunghilak Panmai and Mrs. Mairi Liu, secured 81.6% overall with 1-star mark and 2 letter marks. Mr. Gaisuam Rai Pau Gang Mai, son of Mr. Abui Pau Gang Mai and Mrs. Kap Mai Blandina, the only direct candidate without dropping a year to clear IIT JEE Men's 2024 from Tamanglong. By my highlights thinking Samladako, Police Taban kay laukan may case kao Arambay Tengol members kanay dat nim kanthe. Saturday nung Kangpupi police personnel paday da, may luntay may 30 daw rin nim tat na. Ban kay laukan may tung case kao assign Manipur Police ri Arambay Tengol tuang members kanay dat nim kanthe. India Block Rui Lok Sabha Pools Kau Phaitum Rut na Pungu Sit Latang Puni Tuna Mamata Banerjee Resa Kane. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee Rui Asai, Lok Sabha Pulkau India Bloc Alliance Rui, Paitum Rutna Pungo Sit Lana Center Kau Government Form Suputni Tuna, Sakante Kumna BJP Rui, Pai Kadrik Sekiu, Kore Pai Kadrik Sekiu na Pungo Sit La Putni Tuna Sakane. Center Kau India Alliance Rui Government Guang Pung Kang, West Bengal Rui in Ka Putni, Dola Nai Nganjuang Calculation Kau India Alliance, Paitum Rutna Pungu Sit Ngamnu Maituang Nai na Bam Thi Tuna Sakane. Kon my English and Hindi spoken course. Tithai Lau my 3-month course English and Hindi spoken class. Hai pui tuang class kau hai allow ni lakpu ni chapuan ni kan thai ni kazao nu we. Ai ni thai ni ye tu mai goi khang. Ngi class hai tat kai ka hau bam thi ka bambrui medical get manglong. New tong contact salau nu we 8132820979 or 8798651476. Grace Girl Hostel. Seat available in affordable and comfortable for girl student at Grace Girls Hostel, IB Bazaar, Tamanglong headquarter. Facilities, good study environment, safety and security, clean and friendly, tasty and hygienic food. Care for you light at home. Contact at 87981 33953. Tamanglong Ting Night Luan, Maluan Bu, May 14, 2024. Lautuan Night Naye, Kalan Night Naye, Tingzin Night Naye, Zingbang Tingpuk in Tanne. Temperature maximum 28 degree Celsius, Khani minimum 17 degree Celsius. Night Pad Mai, Pung Padai, Minute Tamru na Kanai Lautuan. Night Kai Mai, Pung Pungu, Minute Ringu na Kanai Tingzin. Mai ka kway na king tree na king and sap lau mi khang ta Guikhanliu maling mai YouTube channel bacon roi thun ku mai inda pitongi athwon roi king da in sap na ko thun ku the.